Organic series cabinets, LED wiring connection tutorial video. LED 4 wire, solenoid valve 2 wires, float switch 3 wires, booster pump 2 wires, SMPS 2 wires, plus positive and negative, red and black. LED blue wire plus float switch middle wire. SMPS negative black wire plus booster pump black wire plus LED black wire plus solenoid valve white or black wire. Total 4 wires. SMPS negative or black wire, LED black wire, booster pump black wire and solenoid valve white or black wire. Total 4 wire. Number 3, SMPS positive or red wire, LED red wire, float switch top wire. Total 3 wires. SMPS positive or red wire plus red wire LED plus float switch top wire. Number 4, LED green wire plus float switch bottom wire plus booster pump red wire plus solenoid valve red wire. Total 4 wires. LED green plus float switch bottom wire plus booster pump red wire plus solenoid valve red wire. Total 4 wires. That's it. Now this is working. Now we will switch. Okay. This is working fine.